Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Thursday. Today you get to use chalk for your morning bin. How exciting is that? Now, I'm going to do my chalk inside on a piece of paper. But if mom and dad say it's okay, maybe you can go outside and do your chalk writing on the sidewalk or your driveway. But for now, I'm going to show you using a piece of paper. So I'm going to practice writing my name in chalk. All right. Now remember, you have chalk in your brown paper bag. And you also have this kind of paper at home too. Okay, so I wrote my name in chalk, Miss Paranzino. Now I'm going to practice writing our letter for the week that we've learned so far. We did the letter A. So I'm going to pull, remember I always start my letter at the top. A. A is for alligator, capital A. And I'm going to make my lowercase a, practice my letters. Now, let's also practice our numbers that we learned so far this week. So, straight line down, then you're done. That's how you make the number 1. And I'm going to practice the 2 around and back across the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Now, if there's something else that you would like to practice writing in your chalk, you can surely do that too. Okay, boys and girls, I will see you in just a few minutes for our reading lesson.